name is Rinki Kalyani and welcome back to my channel. Okay, talking about today's video, I am going to give you every detail about SSS. Now, if you guys don't know, SSS is an online shopping website which has clothes and footwear, and basically it is a street style store. So yes, I'm going to give you every detail about that website. And yes, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. If you're interested, keep watching. Now, before talking about street style store, I would like to tell you guys something, that is street style store and street style stock. These are two different websites and they are not linked or connected at all. They are completely different websites. So yes, now talking about street style store, it is not an app or not a store. It is a website. You can go on Google and just write SSS and it will come like street style store, the first one only. Okay, now clothes and footwear on this website are way too cheap, and the quality, I will talk about the quality later. So the prices are very cheap and it is a real website. You actually you can actually shop from there. I would prefer you guys not to opt bank payment or PTM, because the delivery takes way too long. Like the time of the delivery is way too long, at least 1 or 2 months. So yes, I always opt for COD. So yes, I would prefer you guys to opt COD. Now talking about delivery, experience with the delivery aspect has not been so great with me, because I know it takes way too long. Like I received DMs from you guys that you have ordered something at his and it has already been 1 month and you guys haven't received the product yet. Yes, it takes way too long, at least 1 or 2 months. Itna to matlab you have to keep in mind, because I ordered these clothes from there like 2 months back and I received just a week ago. So yes, if you are planning to shop from there, you have to wait for your products, because the delivery takes way too long. Okay, so the next query from you guys was कि सच में 999 rupees में 3 dresses मिलती हैं? No, it's not true. You have to pay like 300 to 400 rupees extra अगर 900 है. अगर 999 rupees है तो वो approx 1300 तक पहुँच ही जाता है, because if you're opting for COD, so 100 rupees उसका लगता है, and the rest is of GST and all the taxes, shipping, etc. So yes, it's around 1300 rupees, and 3 pairs in 1300 rupees is also a steal for me. And I shop so much from SSS. Like I am a big fan of SSS, and experience with me has always been great, but I have got reviews from my family members or my friends and they have said that the quality is not that good. It is true, the quality is not that good, but also it is not that bad. So yes, like you guys are getting 3 pairs in only 1300 rupees, so you guys have to compromise a bit. तो जितना अमाउंट होता है उससे तुमको 2 to 300 rupees एक्स्ट्रा पे करना ही पड़ता है, एंड आई एम ओके विथ इट. एंड इफ़ यू गाइज आर एज वेल, यू गाइज कैन शॉप फ्रॉम देयर. ऑल्सो देर इज़ वन ऑप्शन, लाइक अगर तुमको कुछ चीज़ पसंद आ रही है तो और वो अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो उसमें नीचे एक ऑप्शन होता है नोटिफाई मी व्हेन अवेलेबल. सो आई ऑलवेज क्लिक देयर एंड आई गेट एन ईमेल व्हेन एवर दैट प्रोडक्ट इज़ अवेलेबल, एंड आई गो देयर एंड शॉप देयर एज सून एज पॉसिबल. दूसरी एक चीज़ जो बहुत अच्छी है इनके बारे में, दैट इज़ अगर तुमको कोई प्रोडक्ट, यू गाइज हैव रिसीव्ड योर पार्सल, और अगर तुमको वो नहीं पसंद आ रहा है तो तुम लोग एक्सचेंज कर सकते हो. यू गाइज जस्ट हैव टू सेंड एन ईमेल टू देम एंड दे विल सेंड द कोरियर वाला वो पार्सल लेके जाएगा, एंड यू कैन चूज़ दैट उसके बदले में तुमको क्या चाहिए. लाइक पैसे वापस नहीं मिलेंगे, लाइक यू कैन चेंज द प्रोडक्ट. सो फिर से तुमको चूज़ कर लेना और फिर से तुम्हारे पास वो प्रोडक्ट आ जाएगा. डिलीवरी में तो बहुत मतलब इट इज़ अ वेरी लॉन्ग एंड टीडियस प्रोसेस. सो येस, बाकी क्वालिटी इज़ ऑल्सो not that good, and not that bad as I said. So talking about the parcel that I ordered and I have received after 2 months, I will show you, and then I'll try and put a clip. So the first thing that I was way too excited, and I already posted so many pictures. So yes, it is this slit dress. I don't know if you guys can see, like idhar thoda sa, I just loved it. It was so good. There's a slit here, and yes, it is ankle, like it's ankle from bottom. It's not that full piche frill wala, but the material is not that good. I expected something a great material, but it is synthetic types, and it is very thin. So yes, but the fitting of this dress is, I just loved it. So yes, this dress for me is, I'll just give them 9 on 10 because of the material. Yes, so yes, this was my dress number 1. Now talking about the second dress that I ordered. Now this is so good, like I just can't tell you. This one was fabulous. This is the dress, and इधर नीचे ये पूरा frill दिया हुआ है, and it is very good. But one problem, that is it is not of my size, like थोड़ा सा बड़ा है from here. So I'll just get that fitted. So yes, baki this dress is very good. Again, I'll give it 9 on 10, and also the material is not that good. Material इसका फिर से बहुत ही ज़्यादा पतला है. So yes, 9 on 10 again. Now the third and the last one. Now if you guys are curious, I always opt for XS, like extra small, because वो भी मेरे को कभी कभी ढीला पड़ता है. So yes, this is the jumpsuit that I ordered. This is the jumpsuit. Like one of you asked me that is that the red puffed sleeves वाला top. No, it's not that. It is a jumpsuit, but इसका sleeves बहुत अच्छा है. It's a jumpsuit, and also belt भी आता है साथ में. I love this because अगर तुम लोग, if you're wearing like this off shoulder, it looks very good, and also if you're wearing like this, it has a square shape sleeves, which I love, and that are also in trend nowadays. So yes, these are the 3 things that I ordered. Now I'm going to show you 3 tops that I ordered a long time ago. So yes, I'm also going to show you that. So long back ago, I ordered 3 tops from SSS, and I thought, why not show it to you guys. Also, I have worn this zillion times, but it has not faded. This was my first top. इसका ये sleeves है, और this fits me so well. I just can't tell you. Again, XS in everything. So yes, this was my top number 1, and I have worn this for like I don't know how many times. Now my most favorite ever. This is a one-sided crop top that I ordered. I have worn this for like zillion times, and it has not faded at all. This is so good, like I just can't tell you. Now the third and the last thing was this t-shirt, this labeled t-shirt. This is so comfortable. इन तीनों के मटेरियल बहुत ही अच्छे आए थे, to be very honest. This t-shirt was very 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 good, and I have worn this for, I just can't tell you, zillion से भी ज़्यादा times मैंने इसको पहना होगा. And also again, this hasn't faded at all. So this is my favorite. So yes, I got these 3 things for 840 something. So yes, I don't know, light is up. Okay, so yes, that was it for my today's video. I hope I cleared all your doubts. If you guys still have any query, just DM me on Instagram. I'll link my Instagram account in the description box below, or you can ask me in the comments down as well. I reply to your comments, like if it's possible. So yes, that was it for my today's video. If you guys like my video, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel below. Bye bye, love you. Okay guys, so I'm adding the clips in the last because I absolutely forgot to do it earlier. So this was my first parcel, the first item, the black slit dress. I absolutely loved it. The fitting is so very good. The second product that I ordered was this, red jumpsuit. It's kind of maroon, and this also fitted me well, and it came with a belt, and I loved this one too. The third and the last thing that I ordered was this pink frock, but it did not fitted me so well, so I decided to pair it with a denim jacket, but still love this dress as well.